The organizers of the Lagos 4 Million Man March for the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 election say they are ready for their procession slated for tomorrow, October the 1st, 2022. At a briefing in Lagos, the group expressed its readiness for the march while giving the assurance of adequate security for members and a well-coordinated outing. The group says the march will take place at Lekki, Ikeja and Festac areas of the state.
This movement or our march is going to be in 3 locations. One at Lekki, one at Ikeja, and one at Festac. And the Festac will be at FHA Playground on the 23 road. And the one of Ikeja will be at Ikeja GRA near Archbishop Dowling Street, opposite that place. And also we are having the one at Lekki at opposite Admiralty Gate. That is the 3 locations where this 4 million man march will be. And we are encouraging Nigerians, both the young, the old, and even the babies, let them come out. It's a march to liberate our nation. Our nation has been on siege, and if we don't do something now, I tell you that we wake up one day, there will be no Nigeria again. Our politicians might have shared everything among themselves, and some of them will take it outside the country. When somebody will wake up and tell us that this is his turn, it's a turn of Nigerians. Nigerians must wake up, and we have woken up. It's no more business as usual. We are taking our country back.